This is Whānau land, whenua toto, and yeah, we've been fortunate enough to reside on whenua where our koro grew up on.
We haven't always lived here and grown up here, but we always knew we were going to end up here. I think we as siblings knew we wanted to live together, and we knew the only place we could really do that was here on our koro's land. When we first learnt about the Papakāinga fund through Te Puni Kōkiri, this was our opportunity to really realise our dream. Te Puni Kōkiri funded the planning of our Papakāinga, the infrastructure, everything below the ground, and then they also helped us with funding part of the above the ground build.
We all have this common goal and we work towards that. Particularly Hanawai and Te Kaha, they've worked really hard. It's awesome, eh, Babus? Mm-hmm. You come and have breakfast, she comes and have breakfast sometimes. What's your favourite?
Cornies.
Cornies.
Pretty special, still a bit of a pinchy moment to be able to live on the whenua, and you know, the maunga's only a stone's throw away, the awa, the marae. So when you, I guess you know, when you recite your pepeha and you're living right next to those things that you do recite, it's pretty special.
You know, ko tātara te maunga, ko Hawaikirangi te maunga, ko tūtaikuri te awa. To us it's to say we are kaitiaki of these things because our hands are dirty. And you can't get your hands dirty unless you're there. And so for us it's embodying our pepeha. It's getting up there, yes, these are words, but behind these words, there is action. And that's what Papakāinga has enabled us to do. So it was all about connecting and being together and being close. And that's why we came up with our Papakāinga name, Te Piringa. It's just an unbelievable experience to go through. The skills as a whānau, the experience we've had is invaluable. And we will forever be thankful to all of those who have helped us along the way, because we will be here looking after this place as kaitiaki for many generations to come.